How to change language on Hulu. Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you the ways to change language on Hulu. So for that case, open up a browser, type in www.hulu.com and log in into your account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. From the home page, go ahead and select the particular series or episode that you wish to watch, and when you open it up, then click the gear icon from the bottom right hand side corner, and then you'll be able to see this pop-up menu. So from there, go ahead and select subtitle or just go to audio. And when you go to audio or subtitle, then you'll be able to see this option as subtitle as and the audio as in. So select accordingly what you want to go ahead and then confirm it by going to the settings button, and here go ahead and select the font and all that. And once you've done with that procedure, move on to the next step by tapping the done button, and as you've done that, you've successfully changed language on Hulu. So that's how you can change language on Hulu. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.